to something of everything. In this video, let us learn how to calculate angle of inclination from the slope. To calculate the angle of inclination, let us say we have horizontal of 10 units and vertical of 1 unit. That means slope is 1 in 10. So the angle of inclination shall be 5.7106 degree. How we have calculated it? Let us see. The angle of inclination shall be tan inverse vertical divided by horizontal. In Hindi we says tan inverse of सामान्य बाजू भाग्या पार्श्वनी बाजू. So the degree will come out to 5.7106 degree. Let us do the same in Microsoft Excel. Your horizontal is 10 units, your vertical is 1 unit. The A10 command will give you the angle of inclination in radians. And to convert it in the degree, you have to use the degrees command. Let us see. In the below formula, we have used degrees command to get the degrees of the radians. Or you can alternatively do 180 by pi to get the degrees. Let us say this is radians and this is degrees so that you can understand it better. Thank you. Do like and share the same.